Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick little video. This is this is what's called a teachable moment. This is from your assignment this week on law of sines. Okay, first of all, just go over in this real quick. You know, you got some vocabulary, and I'm kind of laughing because these exercises right here. This is not law of sines. This is law of cosines, which we're gonna get to next week. Um, and anyways, of course, the way it should have been is you do this and then you can put your answers here and whatnot. Make sure to put your name in here before you upload it and whatnot. Um, okay. Now, don't forget to do your writing section in here. This is part of your assignment. You need to do this. This isn't that hard. It's only 100 to 150 words. Y'all are high school seniors. It shouldn't be that hard for y'all. Okay, what I am going to do though, because my plan was to go over a few of these here with y'all, but as I started doing a couple of these, I'm like, dude, this is not law of sines, this is law of cosines. Yeah, so you can kind of scratch out this for, I mean, don't literally scratch it out, but don't worry about that top section right now. That'll be for something for next week. And first of all, you can't do this, just to let y'all know, because in order to do law of sines, you have to have a side with its corresponding angle that's right across from it. And here you don't have any of that information here. Okay? You don't have any of that here. You have this side 27, but you don't have C. You have this side right here that's across from A, but you don't have A. Here you have angle B, but you don't have the side going across from it. That is law of cosines. Okay? Anyway, but what I will do is go over a couple of these from the quiz for y'all. Okay? So let's look at number 1 here. So here, you're looking for angle C. Okay, we want to know what this side is right, this angle is right here. We have angle A is 89 degrees, and this is right across from this side right here. This would be side A, little a. We have side little c. I know that because it's directly across from big C. And here, I don't know B, and I don't know that side, so that's fine. Okay, but what we're looking for here is side C, so that's kind of moot. We don't even need to know that. Okay. Okay, so this is number 1 from the quiz that you have. So let's write down the information that we do have. We see here that we have angle A, which is 89 degrees. We don't have angle B, and we don't have angle C. We do have side A. I know that because this is the side that's directly in front of angle A. So your little a here is 8 meters. And right here we have this side here, which is directly across from angle C. So that means that little c is 4 meters. Okay. Now what we're being asked for here is to find the measure of angle C. Okay, the measure of angle C. So we can do this using law of sines. So let's use the information that we have. We're going to put a question mark here. Well, this is what we're looking for. Okay, remember your law of sines. Since we're looking for C, I'm just going to go straight to, see here how you have 2 of the same thing. We have angle A and we have side A. So perfect. So I'm going to say A over sine A equals C over sine big C. Okay, so let's input the information that we have. I have little a is 8, and I'm going to have this over the sine of angle A, which is 89 degrees. Remember the trig function of whatever the angle measurement, this is just some number, okay? And this is equal to, okay, this is what we're looking for. I want, or actually that's not what I'm looking for. Side C is 4, and I want the sine of big C. Okay, I'm ultimately looking for big C. So that's the information that we have here. So what we're going to do here is cross multiply. Okay, so I'm going to multiply that. 8 times sine C is equal to 4 times sine of 89 degrees. And here I need to get the sine c by itself. So let's get rid of the 8. Divide both sides by 8. So I'm going to get sine c equals 4 sine 89 degrees over 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times, but don't worry about all that. We're just going to go ahead and put this into a calculator. Okay, so after we put all this into a calculator, 4 sine 89 degrees over 8, we're going to get 0.499923847, and that is sine c. Now we need to get c, which means I have to get rid of sine. So how do you get rid of that? You have to take the inverse sine of both sides. So 0.499923847. Okay, so that's just going to give us what this angle is. The inverse sine cancels that sine, so we're just left with angle C. Okay, guys, so we're going to get that. Sine C equals all that. Take the inverse sine of both sides. The inverse sine of 0.499923847 is going to give us 29.99496,189. So I can say that C is approximately 30 degrees. Okay, so we look at our answer choices here. That means that our answer is going to be B. Okay, so let's do another one of these. Okay, this is going to be number 4. We're looking for the measure of angle C here. So I have this side right here between B and C, which is actually going to be little a. I know that because this is across from big A. So I'm going to say little a is 34 miles. And I have this side between A and B, which is right across from big C. So that means that little c is 17 miles. So let's write our information down here. So I have big A, angle A is 88 degrees. I don't know what angle B is. Angle C, I don't know that either. When it comes to the sides, little a is going to be 34 miles. I don't know what side B is. B would be right there. But I do know that side C is going to be 17 miles. So remember, in order for us to do law of sines, we have to have two of the same letter, big and small. And I do have that with A. I have little c. What I'm looking for is big C. Okay, so once you have all your information out there, so I have angle A is 88, side A is 34, and side C is 17. And I'm looking for big C. So let's input this. I'm just taking the A and the C portion of the law of sines. So let's put in what we have. So this is going to be 34 over the sine of 88 degrees. This is going to be equal to angle C, which is going to be 17, divided by the sine of big C. Just like before, I need C, so I need to get sine C by itself. So let's cross multiply. So I'm going to say 34 sine big C equals, this will be 17 sine 88. And I just need the sine C by itself. Let's divide by 34 on both sides. So sine C is going to be equal to all this. So after I pause and I punch that into a calculator, I have sine C equals 0.499695413. Okay, now I need to get rid of the sine, so I just have C by itself. So like then the other one, if I just want C, I have to get rid of sine. So you get rid of a trig function by taking the inverse of that trig function. So I'm going to say inverse sine of sine C is equal to the inverse sine of 0.499695413. Okay, so inverse sine cancels sine. This is going to leave us with C is going to be approximately So when we get the inverse sign of the 0.4999695413, we're going to come out with 29.97 blah, 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 degrees. So we can say that C is going to be approximately equal to, this is going to round to 30 degrees. Okay? So that's just coincidentally the same answer that we got about the same answer that we got on number 1. It's not the exact same answer. But at number 4, 30 degrees is going to be answer choice C. Okay, guys, I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, please let me know, email, or you can join the Zoom call in the morning. Okay, talk to you, bye.